Hi guys, this is Jackson from Kunis Country RV in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. I just want to show you guys this R-Pod behind me. It's a 2021 Forest River R-Pod RP202. Just got it in. It's not going to last long. This is my first video, so hopefully you guys can cut me some slack. I promise I'll get better as I shoot more of them going forward. Thank you. That's about it for today's video. Honestly, if you're just a couple looking for a smaller travel trailer, I would 100% suggest check out R-Pods. Easily one of the hottest brands in the market right now. Again, this is an RP202, and thank you for watching, and I'll make sure to shoot more going forward for you guys. Thank you.